Hi everyone, welcome back to our WeChat features and tricks part 2 session. Translate image text. Translate image text is another cool new hidden feature that you will want to know. Instead of scanning and translating, you can now choose any image that you have in either your phone gallery or chat and long press until the menu appears with the option of translate image to text. Sticky on top. You can access this option by going into the chat of your preference and pressing the three dots on the right hand corner. Then you will need to be enable sticky on top. This will make sure that the chat that you selected will always be at the top of your WeChat. Floating windows. When you use WeChat for literally everything, sometimes it's hard to find your place in an article after replying to a chat. Floating windows have been updated so you can now pin up to 10 different types of content at a time, ensuring you can multitask like a boss. When you are on an article, swipe right and hold at the bottom right hand corner to float your windows for easy access. Split the bill. Simply create a group with who you need to split the bill with, but if the bill was for a meal, event, birthday gift, you are usually already in a group already. Next, go to Me, WeChat Pay, Money, Split Bill, Create Now, and select the group you need. Once you have selected the group, you can enter the total amount. You can even select which participants in the group you wish to split with. If each participant owes you a different amount, that can also be entered after selecting specified amount. Then once it's in the group, you and the rest of the group will be able to see the status of the split bill and more importantly, who has not paid you back. That's all for today, part 2 session. Hope you enjoyed the video and remember to subscribe and follow